Today, guys, I am going to try this out. This is from TEMU. So I'm trying this out, and this is a booster skin tinted beauty balm. So this is what I'm going to try out on my face. I have mine in number 02, and I think I picked up a dark shade. So this is what I am going to try out on my face today. So if you want to see, continue watching. Okay, guys, so it come into this here. I thought I saw something similar to this. I don't remember if it's on TikTok or wherever, but I saw something similar to this one here. So you take the top off like this, and then it come with this small piece over it here. So it has this thing right here. You just use it to put the product up, and I'm gonna show you what it looked like on my hand. So it's this. You can see how it looks. So that's why I said I picked the wrong shade for my face. So I'm going to just use it up on my skin here and see how it does look on my face here. But they said it's tinted skin. So this is how it look on my face here. I am going to use a sponge, and I am going to blend it out. They said to keep it in a dry place. So that's what I am doing with it. I thought when I picked the shade, it was a bit more lighter, especially coming from TEMU. But when I get it yesterday and I saw the shade of it, it's a little bit red for my skin tone. But you can see how it is here. It's look a little bit oily. Like it look a bit on the oily side, but I'm still going to use it. So I am going to use some concealer to set it underneath my eye. I'm going to use a bit of concealer, and I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, which is a little bit lighter. You can see that it has a little bit of oil sheen to the product, and I'm putting in the concealer underneath my eyes and blend it out with this tinted beauty balm. And I'm just gonna use a concealer brush, a concealer sponge that I used to blend the concealer under my eyes, and with the tinted moisturizer here. I'm just gonna use it on the rest of my face. So I am also going to use some powder, and I'm using the e.l.f. powder here. I'm gonna use the powder to set my face, but I'm gonna use a little bit of it. I have two of these, so this is a more darker shade, and I'm gonna use it to just um, I'm gonna use the powder to just take away some of the oil that's right there. If you have oily skin, you guys, I don't think this is for you, but because I have combination skin, I can use it. But if you have oily skin, this is not for you if you're thinking of getting it, because it have a little bit of grease, like more of a make your skin look oily. And because this powder is a matte powder that I picked up from Elf, so I am going to come back. So guys, this is how it look on my face. I haven't sprayed my face with any spray. I just apply it to the face, and this is it. I haven't have on any primer or anything. So let's show you how it look again. This is how it look on the back of my hand. So guys, I moved from where I was and I'm in more of a lighter part of my home because it's really sunny outside. So I'm showing you how it look on my face here. And I do not apply any primer to my face. I just moisturize my face and that was it. And this is what I use on my face. This look really pretty on the skin, and I just add some matte powder over here to set it because it was a little bit shine, like a little bit greasy, but it does not feel really heavy on the skin. It just really look nice on the skin. So this is what I use. I bought it off TEMU and it's a serum booster skin tint beauty balm. So this is it, you guys. So I just want to say thank you again for watching, and if you're not subscribed, just subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and when I do upload a video you can be notified. I want to say God bless you, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.